Pagon Horo of Jamus, who recently got slapped around as a welcome back package to the arena. Launches an overhand first attack against Surajo Shagon Soja Keliu of Gurumada on the orange shorts there. Really glad and happy for him. He's getting more fights here. I'm Tony Keke running commentary for your most electrifying combat sport in history, Dambe Warriors. Horo swings a back hook and surprisingly has a kick, both swinging but stuck in the warm embrace right now. Oh, breaks free. Bodying his opponent. Horo strikes but hugs his opponent again right now. Why is he always doing that? So, come on. Surajo Shagon Soja. Quite lovely. Nice looking hand. Audu and Tafilo steps in, uses water to separate the fighters. Okay, opening scene again. Horo seems to be jumpy, trusts the missed back hook and leg kick again. Surajo stuck in one right hook there, beautiful, another one. Surajo misses and Horo returns to favor this time around. Nice. Both fighters are really waking up right now. Okay. Good body movement there from Surajo. Surajo strikes an overhand, followed by a leg kick from Horo. That's beautiful. He snuck in one there. Okay, Horo's punch made impact there, and his left hook catches Surajo, staggers him backwards. Beautifully done. Surajo is not relenting, and his overhand knocks Horo, who almost hit the ground. Whoa. They commence another overhand session, but Horo switches position, trusting blanks now, and Kidway is already prancing around the corner, steps in to separate both fighters, joined by Audu and Tafilo. The crowd reaction shows this was an interesting, intense first round. Surajo has water spritz all over him as he prances the arena. Yeah, water continue being spritzed on Surajo, the new fighter. Round 2, and fighters assume the traditional Dambe stance, knee jerk, flesh position, arms outstretched, and trying to grapple and grabbing the opponent. Surajo seems to be beckoning on Pagon Horo. Slaps his fist on the ground. So they should make a go for it. The Dambe stance is a thing of beauty, quite frankly. Surajo trying to drag in his opponents. Same thing from Pagon Horo there. They're urging them to go for it. Deliver overhands and hooks, but both are still standing right now. Horo missed his overhand there. Surajo drives a beautiful lead hook there, makes impact. Beautiful knockout! Horo stomps Surajo with an overhand and it's a knockout. The crowd goes wild. Horo raises his pen salute to acknowledge the cheers of the crowd. If you watch that replay, it's like Surajo's board bounced off the hand. I didn't see that coming. That was a swift flash. Oh, what an interesting turnout of events for Pagon Horo, who has gone on a celebration galore right now. The musicians and drummers are about to embark on playing the praise chants for this fighter to celebrate his victory. But first, let him take the knee and get the money rain. We are really happy for him. He has returned to the arena, and his second appearance, he got a win, and it was a knockout by Horo. So he has made his mark today and told us to watch out for him. Interesting. So next thing, if you want to see what the strongest punch in the world looks like, subscribe to the Dambe Warriors channel and turn on your post notification icon bell so you don't miss it. Okay? Now may the feast of Dambe Warriors be with you. Thank you.